Anyways, so I'm going to show you how I do my hair and how I do my makeup for when I'm going out to a goth club. A leave-in treatment. So shake that up and get a little bit, like about the size of a little, like a $50 size, and mix it together in the hands, through the fingers, and I'm just gonna make it super messy. I like going for the messy hair look when I go out to a club. Same with the bangs, kind of piece it up. So then I have this Bedhead TG. It's a massive shine hairspray. I'm gonna just get my hair kind of messed up again. Basically, I'm scrunching and I'm spraying. Don't get it in your eyes. Be careful. Bang. Just playing with my shaggy hairdo. Get some in the back. Piece it up. Piece it up. I'm gonna fix that little straight right there. A little bit of shine. We've got some, don't know how to say this, Regis Desilien, olive oil for healthy hair color shine shield. That's what it is. So I'm going to do a good healthy spray around. It makes it all shiny. Baby, I'm so shiny. Use this middle finger here just so I can use the index finger for the highlighter. So just get a good healthy amount on there. I like to get it up in there too. And apply a little more water to the finger, dip it back in. They have to be sisters, not twins. That's what we always say whenever you do your eye makeup or your eyebrows. So then I'm gonna take the same finger and dip a little bit into the black, and I'm going to literally put it under the eye so that it creates a smoky eye. Yeah, so that's what I do for my eyeshadow and my highlighter. Now I'm gonna get some L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black for the eyeliner. Since it's goth, I like to exaggerate the line. Oh, gotta get some mascara, some Almay thickening mascara. Got a little piece of straight black right there. Lips, I have Lip Sense, and Lip Sense is the color Blackberry. It's a little faded out there, but it's Blackberry. Blackberry is basically the black color for Lip Sense. So with Lip Sense, you have to apply it a certain way. You just, here, I'll show you. You dip it in, you apply it 3 times. So you want to do 3 applications. Oh God, did I really just do that? I did. And then we would apply the gloss. It's a moisturizing gloss, also by Lip Sense. So just one application. Okay, that's it. This is my going out look. Hope you enjoyed this music. What the fuck am I saying? Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and yeah, I hope you all get dark with it tonight.